OCP Civil Works and Projects of Mexico, SADCB, is a 100% Mexican company with more than 13 years of experience that is actively involved in projects of infrastructure from the private and public sector in Mexico and the rest of Latin America. The diversification of their activities has been one of the strategic areas along its path, which has allowed it to work across sectors such as electricity, gas, telecommunications, and construction. Energy. The energy business has been one of the strategic commitments of OCP, achieving absolute implement competitiveness and reliability, engineering projects, design, construction, and commissioning of electrical energy projects in high, low, and medium voltage, interconnection lines, preventive and corrective maintenance, substations, transmission lines, wind farms, solar photovoltaic, cogeneration, electromechanics, instrumentation, and optical fiber networks. Construction. OCP has solidified their construction experience over the last decade, developing practical knowledge by completing major projects connected to Mexico's growth in the energy sector. We have demonstrated our expertise in all possible aspects of construction, from engineering to project execution. Among its most relevant activities, it carries out building work, civil works and installations, project engineering, earthworks, concrete and metal structures, rehabilitation of spaces and buildings, special foundations, installations, finishes and equipment, urbanizations, service and road networks, hydraulic and environmental works, specifically applied in the infrastructure area for the construction of combined cycle power plant stations, thermoelectric plants, natural gas compression stations, gas pipelines, cogeneration plants, and electrical substations. OCP has evolved to become the leading contractor companies providing gas. Team. The OCP entrepreneurial team is the best example of its commitment to excellence in the workplace and fostering strong values. A qualified technical staff composed of civil engineers, industrial, electro, architects, and technicians with extensive experience in implementing projects and works which bind managers, team leaders, and professionals from the various construction trades and related industries. The steady growth of the group since its inception is based on a solid structure and expertise, the commitment to innovation, technological development, and highly qualified staff, constantly preparing improvements which the company incorporates its services and that set their takeoff and differentiation in the market. OCP is grateful for the trust you have given and which has allowed it to be a solid company with vision. Its portfolio includes works of diverse magnitude, such as the combined cycle plant Agua Prieta II, which has an installed generating capacity of about 400 megawatts, supplying electrical energy with hybrid natural gas technology. Civil works for the 188 project SE 1116 Northeast Transformation, third phase, in Reynosa, Tamaulipas, with a total capacity of 500 megawatts of transformation in the Guerreño substation. OCP participated in the construction, extension, and improvement of roads Arriaga-Ocosocuautla and Tapachula, Talisman Ciudad Hidalgo, and the construction of the Holiday Inn Express Hotel in Tapachula, Chiapas. Construction of underground networks for chemical processes and electrical conduits at the Cogeneration Salamanca Phase 1 combined cycle plant, which has a net capacity of 373 megawatts and steam flow to be supplied for the own refinery adjacent process. Construction of 2 compressor stations that shapes the transport system Ramones Phase 1. It consists of earthworks, civil work, foundations, pipeline system and trenches, roads, and 2 station buildings made of compression of natural gas, located respectively in Camargo, Tamaulipas City and Ramones in Nuevo León. Also, OCP has participated in the construction of 3 main-line valve, MLV, and made part of the pipeline of 116 kilometers and 48 inches in diameter. Civil works for the pipeline project Los Ramones II Norte, building mainline valve, MLV, located in the section of the pipeline of 441 kilometers and 42 inches in diameter, ranging from Ramones Nuevo León to San Luis Potosí. Electrical Substation Airport Bank 5, Reynosa, Tamaulipas, civil works, ducts and trenches, transformation banks, firewalls, major foundations, and drainage works. Submerged Tunnel of Coatzacoalcos. The project consists of a road tunnel built under the Coatzacoalcos River at its mouth, so that the margin of the city of Coatzacoalcos with the Allende congregation is united. The tunnel will have a length of 1,200 meters. The scope of OCP in this project includes the engineering for controlled buildings, developing the architectural, structural, and facilities executive project. OCP has completed construction and electromechanical projects for the Tuxpan-Tula gas pipeline. We built the Cañada Rica compression station, which is part of the 290-kilometer, 36-inch diameter gas pipeline that starts in Tuxpan, Veracruz and extends through the states of Puebla and Hidalgo. This pipeline will supply natural gas to the Federal Electricity Commission combined cycle electricity generating plants in the states of Veracruz, Puebla, and Hidalgo, as well as to western and central Mexico. OCP has worked on electrical, electromechanical, and construction projects for the Texas-Tuxpan Southern Gas Pipeline as part of the measurement and regulation stations at Monte Grande and Higueros, and has been part of projects that include Landfall Tamiagua, Landfall Altamira, as well as the Altamira Micro Tunnel, comprising a 42-inch diameter gas pipeline that will transport 2,600 million cubic feet of natural gas per day. This pipeline will begin on the coast of Brownsville, Texas, and continue offshore for 800 kilometers through the Gulf of Mexico, ending in Tuxpan, Veracruz. The pipeline will help meet natural gas requirements for power stations in Tamaulipas and Veracruz, as well as for central, eastern, and western Mexico. It will also provide service to additional power stations that operate using fuel oil and that have the potential for being converted to using natural gas. OCP has also been part of construction work on the La Laguna Aguascalientes gas pipeline, including section valves within the 442-kilometer, 48-inch diameter pipeline stretching from La Laguna Durango to Aguascalientes. This pipeline will supply natural gas to CFE power stations in the states of Aguascalientes, Zacatecas, and Durango. Grupo OCP has its own integrated quality management system, environment and security, being a certified company in its integral management system, including certifications in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001, certified with the Mexican standard SAST 001. OCP, in short, is a company that has human, financial, and technical capacity to give, develop, and build any type of infrastructure in Latin America. OCP, a company committed to the development of the country.